Hey, what's up, everybody? So, how is going? Today we're gonna change our app package name and then upload it on Play Store. See how it's gonna work. Like for example, this is the app. I want to replace this app. For example, I have here two apps. This is the one which is on Play Store right now, and then this is the one that I've just created new. So I just want to replace it and see how it's gonna work if this thing is working properly. So let's go right now. This is the package. So what you have to do is you have to copy this one, dev.dependency. So this is easier I've done. Yeah, this is it. Already run pop get. So now the second step is you have to copy this one. So you have here, you have to run this one. They say main, they say name main com dot new name dot name. So we have to just copy, and I will go to my project. So this is the one that we want to replace now on Google Play. So I'll just paste it, and the next other project. So this is where we have to do all the magic. So what I'm gonna do here is com dot, just type dot, you see this name here, we have to replace it exactly. So from there we type make sure you type it correctly. Like Google Play will reject it. I don't know if they're gonna reject it. So that is it. You copy as I've shown you. I'll see repeat it again. Make sure you just copy as like this. Then from here from this place you replace your name. So here we go. Let us see how it's gonna work. So let us verify again very well. Not to-do list, and everything is correct. My name is correct. Com dot is correct. Com dot my name is correct. Blah 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 is correct. Okay, so let's see. Let's hit enter and see what it's gonna do. You say change app name, blah blah blah, from this to this, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's already been changed. So let's go to Play Store now. Let's see, let's version. Every day this thing is changing. So let's see the current version which is there. I have here version 1. So I'm just gonna go on. So what I'm gonna do is just copy this one, and I'm sure you already know how to. If not, I'll link this below. So what we have here is we have here version 1. So let me create release. So we have here version 1. So right now our app's gonna be better. We have here version 1, so I'm gonna be version 2. Because here we have 1, so we expect to have 2. So that is it. From there we can just hit enter and let it build. So it's still running. And after doing it, you can decide to remove this one. It's up to you. It's like my internet is a little bit slow, but let us just be patient, because you have seen everything has been done. Android rename step replace, everything has been done. So let's see how if Google Play is going to accept it. Remove even 76%, or 26%. Yep, it's done. So let's go as usual. Let's see. Whoa. Where is it? This output APK. It's not there ready. What the hell is this? Sometimes maybe it's like that. It's a view output release. So where is it here? Okay, now, yeah, it's ready now. Okay, sometimes it's like that. So let's go to review in Finder. So this is it. So let's see how we can just update it. So let's see if Google Play is going to accept it or not. %54 going. 56, a little bit slow. This one is just for an example. 96, 97, 8, 9, processing. Google Play generating and optimizing the APK of your Android app bundle. This process can take a few minutes depending on size of your app and so on, app bundle and so on and so forth. Yeah, so let us wait. It's almost done. Processing. Version of every day, things are changing. Before it was not like this, but that's the life for today. come on, do it fast, do it fast, do it fast. Yeah, see, correct charge. See, everything is perfect. So everything has been changed. So you see here, so everything has been changed. So it means everything is successful. Now it's version 2. So what I'm gonna just do now is so it's working. Check. Internet is a little bit slow all this time, and I already know why it's like this. But let's just review before we can come back there. Seems like it's still gonna waste us some time, but let's just review. Don't worry, I'll post this link down below. So what you're gonna do is you copy this one as I've shown in the app. You paste it here, and the next step, then you copy this one, you run it down as I've shown you. So this is it that we have done here from the first step. This is it. So you replace the name cop dot your name dot the name of your app. So that is it. So guys, that is how you do it, and you have seen it is working. So let me just start release to production. Yeah guys, that is how we do it. So thank you guys for watching, and love and share this video. And if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more video. So until then, see you guys.